one final update for the 10-year-old Grand Tour, the Maserati GranTurismo. The Maserati GranTurismo was introduced in 2007, a replacement for the Coupe, which in turn was the first Grand Tour developed under Ferrari ownership. Offered in both coupe and convertible body styles, the GranTurismo was designed by Pininfarina and launched with two V8 engines co-developed with Ferrari. A 4.2-liter V8 powered the base model, while a bigger, 4.7-liter V8 was offered in the S, MC Stradale, and Sport models. Although it was believed that the GranTurismo would be replaced altogether in 2018, Maserati launched a new update in 2017. Essentially a facelift, the 2018 model year upgrade brings revised aerodynamics on the outside and new technology on the inside. The Italians also changed the drivetrain lineup, ditching the 4.2-liter V8 as well as the MC Stradale model. From now on, the GranTurismo is available in only two trim levels, the Sport and the MC. Unfortunately, output remains unchanged, which means that the Grand Tour might not be around for too long. Find out what's new in the review below. While it remains highly familiar, the GranTurismo sports a number of significant changes for the 2018 model year. While it remains highly familiar, the GranTurismo sports a number of significant changes for the 2018 model year. These are more noticeable up front, where the bumper has a larger, hexagonal grille with a sharp nose profile and a chrome frame. Inspired by the All-Fury concept, this grille adds a three-dimensional effect to the front fascia, while also optimizing airflow and reducing aerodynamic drag. The side vents have also been revised for enhanced aero efficiently, while also giving the front end a more menacing look. A new central splitter was also added, with a larger element on the MC model. Overall, the new front bumper and redesigned air splitter reduce aerodynamic drag from 0.33 to 0.32. Onto the sides, we can find new vertical air vents in the front fenders, revised side skirts, and 20-inch Trufio silver wheels. Maserati also restyled the headlamps, which now include reshaped LED daytime running lights, grooved housing in the xenon lamp areas, and the Maserati inscription in low relief. Additionally, the MC version's headlamps feature a darker finish. The MC model also gets a carbon fiber engine hood, with downforce optimizing air vents. Onto the sides, we can find new vertical air vents in the front fenders, revised side skirts, and 20-inch Trufio silver wheels that are 10% stronger and lighter. Around back, there's a bigger rear lip spoiler and redesigned diffusers for both the Sport and MC models. This is where the two stand out, as the Sport has oval tailpipes at the edges of the bumper, while the MC has round pipes at the center. An exterior carbon package is offered for both Sport and MC versions. The exterior of the revised GranTurismo is available in 16 colors. A brand new 3-layer hue was introduced, blue Saludo, while 4 more 3-layer colors are now available on the entire range. There is a range of 14 light alloy wheels in 6 designs, one of which is in forged aluminium. Finally, an exterior carbon package is offered for both the Sport and MC versions, alongside new Pirelli P0 tires. Interior updates include a revised center console with fewer buttons, a rotary dial, and a new 8.4-inch touchscreen. Revisions continue inside the cabin, starting with the more sculpted design of the passenger side dashboard. The Poltrona faux leather seats with integrated headrests remain standard, but Maserati now offers high-fashion style stitching for the leather and Alcantara surfaces. There's also a revised center console with fewer buttons and a rotary dial and a new 8.4-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is the Harman Kardon premium sound system. For a more premium look, Maserati added a new clock with the double dial in a slightly more prominent position at the center of the dashboard. It also equipped the Grand Tourer with a new rear parking camera. Customization is possible via the 8 available interior colors and 5 interior trim options, including carbon fiber, black piano, and walnut briarwood.